suitable that you were using. Yesterday, I hope it was clear to you, right? And today, on the basis of this, in our conversation while speaking, how to use the adjectives is our point today. So, in question and answer, suppose somebody is asking you, have you finished your dinner? Just now, you can say. How was the curry? Very tasty or spicy. Like that. I am going to give for the answer also two options. You are going to select the best one or suitable one. One will be right and the other one will be wrong. You are selecting the right one. Okay? Yesterday same words I am giving so that you can refer to it and answer. Yesterday I gave you so many nouns and adjectives to use with those nouns. I gave some 6 on my own with the answers and remaining I asked you to write on your own. Hope you have done it. It was very simple and easy work. On the basis of it, now we are going to write the conversation, question and answer way. Okay. So let us start it. What only thing you have to do is, everything is written on the blackboard. You are selecting the right answer and filling the blank to complete your conversation. Okay. For example, complete the answers by choosing right adjectives. I am going to give two adjectives. You are choosing the right one and filling the gap to get the answer for the question asked. The first one, so your heading is complete the answers by choosing right adjectives. 2 will be given, one of the 2 you are choosing. Have you read? Have you read? This story. Have you read this story? Your answer? Yes. But I remember only the main dash. Your answer for this question. Have you read this story? Yes, but I remember only the main dash. Idea or problem. Just a minute. Only the main dash. Idea or problem. What did you remember? Whether the main idea or the main problem, you have to write in the blank. I am not going to give the answer because I am reading it and you should understand it. Have you read this story? Answer is yes. But I remember only the main dash. What? Main idea or main problem? In the story, what do you have? Problem or idea that you have to select. Second, for your knowledge, first one let me do on my own so that the next ones you would do easily. Main idea is your answer, right? Second one is did the teacher tell you before she wrote the answers? She wrote the answers. What did the teacher tell you before she wrote the answers? Your answer is, suppose I am writing on the blackboard. Yesterday I gave you, before yesterday also I gave you questions. What did I tell you? Write neat handwriting, give finger space, leave a line after every answer is over, and what did I say? Write clearly and neatly. What do you call all this? That is what a teacher tells. All together, what we call? She gave us good dash. She gave us good dash. Sorry. She gave us dash advice. In the bracket, hard, good, bracket close. She gave us dash advice. Hard advice or good advice? You have to choose. The third question is, why are you late today? Why are you late today? Your answer is, there was a dash traffic. On the road. Soft, heavy. Soft, heavy. There was a dash traffic on the road. Soft traffic or heavy traffic? Let us go to the fourth one. So, first one I have done for you. Have you read this story? Yes. But I remember only the main dash. Idea or problem? Idea is your answer. Second one, what did the teacher tell you before she wrote the answers? What did the teacher tell you before she wrote the answers? She gave us dash advice. Hard advice or good advice? Why are you late today? There was a dash traffic on the road. There was a dash traffic on soft traffic or heavy traffic. Let's continue the fourth one. Why do you want to help Ria. Answer, because she is in a dash mood. Bad mood or good mood? Why do you want to help her? Why do you think Rajat becomes your class monitor or class leader? Why do you think Rajat becomes your class leader? Answer is I have a dash feeling that he only will be the class leader. Strong feeling or light feeling? Sixth, what should, wait, let me write it up only because I can't see down. What should you do to get good marks? What should you do to get good marks? Your answer is I must work dash. I must work dash. Hard or hard or deep. So these 6 questions you have got under today's exercise. You have got these 6 questions under today's exercise. What you are doing? Simply you are answering the given questions. Questions are very much given. Even the answers are also given with the options beside them. You are choosing the very correct word. I hope you all understood what I mean. So, try to write them well. That's it for you today, children. Thank you so much. Hello, children. One more thing I forgot to give you. I am going to give you it today. It is all about the articles which we have already learned. One small exercise. Please take it. Using a and an. Using a and an. And the. Already I taught you. Please take it. Or a and an you use. Fill in the blanks with a or an. Vowels and consonants I told you the other day. With the consonant, the word which starts with consonant letter like B, C, D like that, with that you are using A. And the word which starts with vowel letter, you are using an with it. Right, children? For example, there is dash pond near the temple. Look here, pond, it is P. P is consonant. That's why you are using A with it. Second one, carry dash umbrella as it is raining. Look here, umbrella, U. Here P is consonant. Only A, E, I, O, U. The words which start with A, E, I, O or U, you must use an. Here U is vowel letter. So you are using an with it. Remember this and proceed with the remaining things. I am not going to tell for each and everything. My sister is dash artist. Next, she wore dash new dress on her birthday. I like to have dash egg and dash slice of bread for the breakfast. So these are 5 bits. Just 5 bits you are going to answer. I already told, if it is consonant, use A. If the word after the dash has vowel letter in the beginning, please use and. That's it, children. So it's end of today's session.